Think you're building bigger biceps every time you curl? Truth is, most people are actually training their elbows and their ego, not their arms. And if you've ever wondered why your biceps aren't growing the way you want, stick around, because today I'm going to show you how to finally curl the right way. Here's the crazy part: the difference between wasted effort and real biceps. Growth often comes down to just a few inches of movement, and I'll bet you've seen these mistakes at the gym. Maybe you're even making them yourself. Let's break them down. 1. The swinger. You load up way too much weight, and suddenly it looks less like a curl and more like a back workout, rocking your whole body just to get the bar up. Asterisk 2. The half reppers. Stopping halfway, never fully extending the arm, so the biceps never get the stretch they need. Asterisk 3. The shoulder stealer. Instead of isolating the arms, you let your shoulders roll forward, stealing the work your biceps were meant to do. Sound familiar? Be honest, one of these have you caught yourself doing? Now, imagine fixing all 3 of those mistakes with one simple mindset shift. Don't worry, we'll go step by step, but first, here's the golden rule. In a curl, your elbow is the anchor, not the traveler. Let's unpack that. Step 1. Stance and setup. Stand tall, feet about shoulder width apart. Think skyscraper. Your body is the foundation. Your core is the support beams. If the base wobbles, the structure crumbles. Step 2. Grip and arm position. Grab your dumbbells or bar with a neutral grip. Elbows tucked tight to your sides. Imagine they're pinned with invisible glue. This locks out the shoulder and forces the biceps to take the load. Step 3. The curl itself. From here, slowly curl up. Don't yank. Don't swing, just a controlled arc, like you're drawing a perfect half circle. Squeeze at the top like you're trying to crush a walnut between your bicep and forearm. Step 4. The lowering phase, and here's where most people lose the gains. The way down. Don't drop it. Lower just as slowly as you lifted, letting the muscle work against gravity. This is where real growth happens. Asterisk swinging the weight. That shifts power to your lower back, not your arms. Wrong. It's asterisk stopping halfway. You cut out half the muscle's potential. Wrong. It's asterisk rolling your shoulders. Now you're training traps, not biceps. Wrong. Asterisk controlled curl, full stretch at the bottom, strong squeeze at the top. That's how you unlock true biceps growth. Asterisk, the biceps don't just pull, they flex the elbow. Keep that in mind, and suddenly, every curl makes sense. Asterisk, intermediate fix. Try pausing for 1 second at the top. This forces your biceps to engage fully instead of coasting through momentum. Asterisk, slightly rotate your wrists outward as you curl up. This fully shortens the biceps. 3 seconds up, 3 seconds down. You'll feel the difference instantly. Asterisk, so here's your challenge. Grab a lighter weight than usual. Lock those elbows in and try 10 flawless reps full stretch. Full squeeze, controlled descent. Feel the burn? That's your biceps finally doing their job. Asterisk, remember, bigger arms aren't built by heavier weights, but by smarter reps. Master the fundamentals, add in the tweaks, and your results will speak louder than the plates you load up. Keep practicing, perfecting, and watch your arms transform. Now it's your turn.